If you need a good reason to have a beer at 9:30 in the morning, Todd Ruggieri has one.
I'm drinking a Sam Adams in all 351 towns in Massachusetts. I'm doing it for charity.
His latest stop is here in Waltham at the Tempo Bistro. And with each swig, he's raising money for Dana-Farber and the Jimmy Fund to help with children's cancer research.
I've always wanted to raise money for it and never really had a good idea, and I came up with this idea and everyone seems to love it.
His mission, one beer a day at a different bar in a different Massachusetts town. At each spot, he snaps a photo with his handmade signs and posts them to his blog and Twitter page. If he's visiting a town without a bar, he improvises.
When I was in Plimpton, it's all farms. I couldn't find anything. So I found a home that had llamas in it. So I knocked on the woman's door and I said, "You got to let me take a picture with your llamas." So she was happy to do it.
The feedback from restaurants has been great. When he approached Tempo, they immediately wanted to help.
I thought it was a fantastic idea. I was shocked that no one had thought to do what he was doing, and we absolutely could not say no.
Some will give a check right to the charity and some will offer these gift cards.
So far, he's raised nearly $2,000, but he hopes as his tour of the state continues, people will raise a glass and open their wallets.
Seeing the state and meeting the people is the best thing about it.